And it made sense to measure the KPIs of the robot and how it was performing, because as I told the managers before getting that, said you need to know how your new employees are performing.
One of the problems with this sort of situation on the floor here with testing is a lot of the stuff's invisible. We need better data visualization, and that's actually something Insights really provides well for us. So if I'm trying to communicate non-engineering type topics to someone who's in production or whatnot, it's easy to point at a screen and say, this is what's happening, or this is what happened. And then we pointed to the beautiful display that we have back here, and all of a sudden our production manager was interested. So it's become a shop floor control tool.
We had an increase of about 33% in tested PCBs over 1 year. So the throughput was much higher. The quality was higher because there's no manual steps for an operator to interact with, and because the handling is consistent.
If there is a problem, you're able to attack it very quickly. And again, tools like Insights really help you identify those things before they become larger problems.
I found that the daily report for me works well, and then I can get alerts if there's an emergency stop.
Then I started learning, okay, well, it can text me, right? People started getting interested in that. So we have certain events that trigger, let's say, Marcella to put a new bin in, to put more trays in, or that the trays are empty. She gets texts now.
It's a great thing, and I wanted to learn to run them. So I was a little scared at first, but I mean, they're awesome. I mean, they're fast, and I can keep up with them, so I really like running them, I just call them my babies. They're my babies. We changed the program depending on what boards we're running. We can run a lot of different boards here. So yeah, we got to change the program for that. It's a big help because it's like tripled our numbers. So it's awesome. They're awesome.
I think we've learned a lot of general knowledge as being our own integrators, and I think we could be successful definitely at some of the other opportunities we've identified in the factory.